Hello, beautiful family. I go by the name Good to the Widow, firstborn of the elephant, Mr. Ling Ling Way. Take to take, but a man can try. Kisibedo Wodako, Toen Manasako. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending with your time zone. Here we are on the evening. As you can see, the sunset behind the tree there. And today, I came here just for nature walk, and I'm in Tanzania. So I hope all is well with you wherever you are, with your families, Team Redeemer, Team Marwa. I hope everything is well. You are doing good. God bless you. God continue adding you more life. Me personally, I'm good. Nothing bad. And with the rest of the team, also I hope all is well. So I came here in Tanzania. As you can see, my background here. I am in deep in Tanzania. As you can enjoy the beautiful background. You know, here the vegetations alone. As you can see the beauty of this place. Nice one. A very good place to chill, to relax, yes. To wash away the bad energies, to wash away the stress of any kind. So it's good. I really do thank you, family, for always being there, for always supporting our video by watching them full, subscribing, also share it out. Please remember me. I'm on the road to 4,000. I'm only remaining with a few hundreds to hit 4,000. Please just push me. Just push me. We walk the same walk. We walk together as a family. Also, thank you for having your time to always joining through my space and the Redeemer family. God bless you. God bless you so much. So, as I have told you, I'm good. Nothing bad. We are just getting in touch. And what I love most, we usually turn in as we chat through the premium. I really do feel God because we connect as close family. We connect as one family. So, greetings wherever you are. Greetings. Just join the comment section. Greetings. Say from where you are watching from. We are in Tanzania today. Here is not Kenya. You know, I'm used to Nyaboanzi. But here is not Nyaboanzi. Yeah. Here is deep in Tanzania. Yeah. So we came here for a nature walk. We have been, yes, walking. No, walking is also sort of exercise. And I'm with my brother here who have been showing me around as a type of tour, the one and only Pio Momo. Yeah. Miriam Bokuderengat. Yeah. Yo.
So guys,
sun too much. Come this way.
Yeah. Good. So guys, my name is Kenneth Ramede Kisa to Sangara, the big fish. Pio Momo got Miriam Bokuderengat to put them to Chimonia told Chedron Pinja Maronagi, in Yerek tomorrow. So guys, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting Go to the video. Thank you for supporting Nico Buddha. Thank you for supporting my boss. Thank you for support Dorina, sister Dorina. Guys, God bless you. Depending your time, guys. Yeah. Guys, no English is coming, so no problem. So guys, my brother Go to the video today. I'm coming here for I'm visitor me from village here from Sirari border, guys. Look at in the Tanzania here, guys. Yeah. So guys, watch video full. Make sure watch, comment, like, share after share, like, subscribe, guys. Road to 4,000.
Oh yes.
Ready to 4,000, guys.
4,000.
Yeah, and me road to 2,000, guys. Odomana, what to come on? What is Sabine, I don't know. 70. Road to what 70, guys.
Or you are remaining with around 70 to
70
2,000.
2,000 guys.
Yes.
Yeah guys, so guys, support me every day, every time, watch after watch, to subscribe guys, not cornering like German. So guys, today I'm here, then my brother is here. Look at guys,
Beautiful
it's
garden.
a beautiful garden for
Yeah.
for village here guys. My friend village here garden like this is a no, my friend is here in the garden guys. Look at
Let me just change the camera.
Yeah, we show people guys. Look at guys. Amazing. Environment is good. yeah.
Hey, this place is good.
It's good.
Hey,
Yeah.
even look at this type of flower. I do love this.
Yeah.
It's more looking like a pine, but it's not pine.
It's not pine.
Is it the bamboo or what? This one is bamboo.
Bamboo?
I don't know.
I don't know bamboo, my friend. It's a bamboo.
This one is. This one is it bamboo? Yes, look like a bamboo.
Like bamboo.
Yes.
So guys, watch. Look at guys. Amazing. Amazing.
Very beautiful place.
Very beautiful place.
To come and chill.
And chill. Yeah. Because me, my friend.
Yes.
Me after maybe work in the evening here.
Yeah.
Me I'm come is relax here.
You come relax.
I'm relax here. Maybe Saturday, Sunday.
Yes.
Sunday me I'm relax here because me after go the church.
Yes.
After church, me I'm rindima here. I'm relaxing compound here, guys. Yeah. So guys, make sure watch full video, guys. Muzongos come here. Yeah. Is me talk to me Kenneth Remedy. Let's go in the me I'm relaxing.
Let's go chill out.
Yes, chill out, yeah.
Yes, me I love this place. And something funny, this garden, it's not of the government.
Yeah. Not of government.
This is just a place for a place a guy just made it, or anyone can chill. It's private, but it's for anybody.
Yeah.
I love the idea of this guy. Even the type of trees. I wish this kind of a place, this guy might invest on some good hotel with good cuisine. Yes, people will really enjoy it.
Really enjoy, and a small water, soda, and energy. You're in Dima here. Here.
Even look at the landscape.
Yeah, it's good, my friend. Come. Hey. You maybe you come one day. Come with the car.
Yeah.
Parking is here, my friend. Hey, look at the parking here.
You know, it's a good place. You just come with Galango.
Hey, it's a girlfriend. You mean?
Galango.
You come with a girlfriend. It's a new man. Enjoy.
You chill out.
Chill out, my friend. Yeah, maybe it's good. It's good.
This place is good. Even the landscaping, the setting out, this guy have done it. Or this guy is the one staying there. Yeah, I love the idea of this guy.
Look at the tree, big tree, my friend. Come show people tree and the coffee.
This one?
Coffee, my friend.
Coffee tree, oh.
Coffee is here.
Oh, yeah, there is coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
Hey, the landscaping, my friend.
This.
Oh.
Coffee is there. You know?
Oh, this one is coffee plantation.
Yeah, coffee plantation, my friend. Look at.
So family out there, the coffee you use there, Kenya is one of the major producers of coffee all over the world.
Yeah.
The sweetest one. The coffee being used to blend other coffees all over the world.
Yeah, my friend.
So if you have any idea how it looks like, this is the coffee.
This is the coffee.
These are coffee beans,
Yeah, coffee beans.
They still have not ripe,
And is here. Ikivo
ripe.
Is ripe. After ripe, people is come is a put. After put,
yes,
is a moy.
Put them to dry up.
Dry up. After dry up,
yes.
people is go the
take to the industry
industry after
for
industry.
processing.
Yeah, coffee direct for tea, my friend.
Yeah.
It's good. It's good because it's good. So guys, watch full. Make sure don't forget to subscribe with here. Village here. So fire. You know? Yeah. My friend, come.
You see the coffee beans. The camera is not doing justice. Camera, what's the wrong? Camera is not doing justice. Let me wipe camera.
Camera is the problem.
Camera is not doing justice here. This one is still raw coffee, but camera.
Yeah.
Oh, nice one. There you go.
Yeah, my friend.
You see the coffee beans inside. This one has not riped. This is not the ripe one. Yeah.
And the matunda here.
Oh.
Yeah, matunda. I call it matunda. I don't know matunda, my friend. And the matunda. Yeah, matunda.
With the plants looking like carbs.
Is here.
Hey, this one. This one is for stomach.
Yeah, for stomach, my friend.
No, it's a ball.
Stomach is a letter small jam.
Yeah, stomachic.
Is a castoya.
You use this.
You use this, my friend.
Also, it's a pain release.
It's a pain relief, my friend. Yeah.
These one are not coffee.
Yeah? No, it's not coffee, my friend. It's here. It's not coffee.
This one.
Yeah, it's not coffee, my friend. So guys, watch full video. Make sure don't forget to subscribe.
Hey, the guy have a good garden here.
Yeah.
With a different type of species of what?
Yeah.
Of trees.
Of trees, my friend. Yeah.
The indigenous and also fruits here. Like you see, these are avocado.
Avocado called English fruit.
Yes, avocado is a fruit.
Yeah. Okay.
You see avocado, even there are some.
This is avocado here.
Somewhere there. Let me zoom.
Yeah, someone is there.
I don't see them very well. Let me try with here. Yes, you see the fruit there. There's one. So this is the avocado tree.
Yeah, the tree, yeah.
And also there is a forest this side.
Forest, my friend. Forest.
Hey.
Forest for village here. Not snake. Not snake.
No snake.
Yeah, and not.
Hey family, I hope you enjoy the beauty, the scenery of this place.
Yeah.
Is it scenery or what?
Yeah.
No, Kizungu is hard.
Kizungu is not. It's come like.
And also this tree is the indigenous, eh?
Yeah,
this is type of indigenous tree. There I see it. That one is eucalyptus. This one is eucalyptus, as you can see it. And that one is what? It's called gravelas. Yes. I'm not good at naming them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So my friend.
I only know a few.
Yeah. So my friend, after garden here, in the here, maybe for boundary, Kenya from Tanzania.
Where is the boundary of Kenya to Tanzania?
Kenya is here. Is there.
Oh.
Kenya is there.
Oh,
no, look at Kenya is there for maybe.
Oh, this booster line.
Yeah, line, my friend.
Oh, so
is a
yes, so this one.
Yeah.
This booster line is a boundary of.
Yeah. Of
Kenya and Tanzania.
From Tanzania, my friend.
So we are in Tanzania.
Yeah.
And Kenya is that side.
Is a new man here, my friend.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah, my friend. So guys, watch full.
Tanzania is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
It's beautiful, my friend.
Tanzania is beautiful. It's a beautiful place.
It's green too much.
Yes.
Green too much, guys.
This is a good park.
It's a good park. Look at. No people, my friend. Material. I don't know English. Yellow.
The roots.
The roots, yeah, roots. Yeah. Roots too much.
Hey, there's a nice park, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. And with some herbs. This herb is very popular around.
Yeah.
Hey, I love this place. Pure Momo God.
Good.
And also some banana plant here.
Yeah.
This place is of everything, my friend. Look at that.
Banana.
Hey, Toto banana.
Tutu banana.
Toto banana is there.
It's neighbor banana.
This a good park. If this one was in Kenya, my friend,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, this one will be a government place. See this type of plant. It's very thorny.
Hey, my friend.
Is it thorny? See these spikes.
Is a flower?
This is type of flower.
It's a type of a flower, my friend.
I
flower there.
I once saw this type of flower in Texas.
In Texas. Flower for Texas.
No, I have seen such kind of flower in Texas.
Okay.
Through the screen, I've not traveled there. Through
Through the screen.
you know, we travel through the screen.
Yeah.
And what type of flower is this?
It's a flower.
It's also
Yeah, my friend. It's a matunda.
Oh,
Matunda, my friend.
that is fruit.
Yeah, it's a fruit, my
No,
friend.
that is a flower.
It's a bouquet flower.
Oh, you mean this is fruit?
Yeah, my friend, look at.
So fruit is this one?
Yeah, look at. It's there, and there, and there, and there, my friend. Yeah.
Which type of fruit is
It's
this?
big, my friend. Big like this, my friend.
It's
Big. Odongo kama.
Oh, is it sweet?
Yeah, is this sweet, my friend?
Hey. I would love to taste it. So family, keep in touch. We are in Tanzania with Kennedy the Remedy.
Yeah, my friend.
Yes, today is just nature walk,
Yeah.
nothing much.
Yeah.
Today we are just enjoying nature walk.
Nature walk.
Yeah, in this beautiful garden of this guy here. It's a nice place to chill, as I've said before.
Yeah.
Also, the setting landscaping is good.
Yeah.
Setting and landscaping, the way you see, check out this tree. You see how the man have done some art with the tree there. The tree is looking good and green. The tree is very healthy. Hey. You see that? The height is almost up. It's almost up my chest.
Yeah.
Damn, I really do love this guy. This guy knows how to protect the environment.
Your environment.
Yes. I hope if the world could be like this, everywhere people do plant trees with these such beautiful plants, different plant species around. Oh, it's good.
It's good, my friend.
Hey. For a pure mama, what ipi monang?
Hey. Ankuru.
Ingulu time.
Good time, my friend.
Hey.
Yeah. Koro. Well, then you come over. So,
Emben garden.
and kadi.
Pargade.
Kadi.
Yes.
Koro. Then kata ura kacha ni.
Oh. So there is a river around also.
Yeah.
Is that river going to Kenya or this is the Tanzanian part?
My friend is a come there. Is a close. Huh?
Yes.
Close. Is a go there.
Direct to Kenya.
Direct to Kenya, my friend.
Hey.
Direct to Kenya.
So the river has traveled all the way.
Yeah, maybe is a travel. River
Water.
is a travel, my friend.
Hey.
Is a travel.
River wuotho nice. Hey, just check out the beauty of this place. I hope if this one guy could put here some good seats for chilling and also yes, just gardening and he can also invest in some like hotel industry. Yes, he can do good here because you know a lot of people like such places, cool places like this, not noisy. Yes, they call even though if it was for me, the hotel might be called hideout. Hideout restaurant.
Yeah. Yeah, my friend. Hideout restaurant.
Hideout. People come and chill, enjoy this beautiful nature. Yeah, clean air here, no pollution. Here is 0% emission.
0% emission.
Clean energy.
Okay.
Clean energy.
Clean energy.
Yani yamo moluok, yamo noluok mochunge maber. English come like jogi. Yeah.
So my friend, show people my friend Garofa. You know Garofa for village here.
Yes.
Garofa, my friend.
Oh, this is pine, eh? This tree is pine, eh? Pine, and also this tree. I'm familiar with this tree. This tree, it has some kind of what? This small fruit. Mokoma yellow. Yes. It's a good place.
Good place, my friend.
Oh, he has also put
There's a small Garofa.
a small gorofa here.
Yeah.
A good place to chill.
Yeah, a good place.
Yeah.
Chill, my friend.
Hey.
Yeah, my friend.
I love the idea behind this guy. Because you see, this one already, this is an idea.
It's an idea.
Yes. This one is planning for a mini shop here.
Yeah.
So you chill, you come here, buy some refreshment.
Yeah.
I love the idea of this guy. Do you know this guy? This guy has some plans. I think it's only is not that stable. But if he was that stable, this guy might have transformed this place to something else. Because the way he has done these things, it's not a regular way. Oh, so this is, that's the stairs.
Yeah, stairs for go up.
Oh, so you see, a nice family. I hope you love this type of idea of this man. See this man.
Stairs.
Oh, can we go up? You see this type of stairs?
First of all,
Hey, my friend.
you to fit up.
I'm very big.
You're very big.
You do see, I'm very big. I cannot even climb.
Yeah, friend.
Oh,
Hey.
I'm with pole bana kuku.
My friend is chilling.
Oh, uko sawa?
My friend is chilling.
Si tu tunafanya tu mambo yetu kwa kamera. Sasa umejua ni mzuri kuulizanga mtu na nikuletea mtu hapo kamera na ataki hiyo mambo.
Yeah.
So many you see this place.
This place, go up.
We are up.
Up.
There is down floor.
Is it down floor, my friend?
Yes.
Yeah. Down floor.
So even the look up here has just changed. This man is a creative man. Yes, this man is a creative man. I hope even if he can partner with some big guy to lease on the place or to partner for them, they do their business. So it's a 50-50 win.
Yeah.
Yes. The beauty of Tanzania.
Beautiful Tanzania, my friend.
Where you say the river is where?
River is there.
Oh.
River is there.
Oh, the river is down.
Yeah, it's down there, my friend.
Okay, it has clean water.
It's a clean water. Maybe you go
Take shower.
Take shower. It's a new man.
Hey.
Yeah.
Can we go and check it out?
Let's go, my friend. Let's go show people today. Today, my friend.
That's all right. The elephant is very big, my friend. At least today I've just shown you a nature walk. Nature walk. Here it's called what? Oh. It's called what? Mogaden.
Yeah, Mogaden.
It's called Mogaden. Car wash and what?
Yeah. So, my friend.
Vinywaji vipo karibuni. This guy is very creative.
Drinking.
Yeah, fresh wine.
Drinking fresh wine is here.
Yes.
Welcome. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Karibuni.
Yeah, karibuni.
Mogadens, car wash, and refreshments. You are all welcome.
Yeah, you are all welcome.
Oh, yeah. Kinywaji vipo.
Kinywaji.
Yeah.
Drinking.
Yes.
Yeah. Drinking is full here.
Yeah. Refreshments so available.
Yeah.
Vipo,
so,
sindio?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So my friend, the route here.
Yeah.
The route here from Kenya.
Oh, this road is
here.
connecting Kenya up there.
Yeah.
This side.
Not road big.
Yeah. Oh.
Not road big.
So this is access road.
It's success.
Yes.
It's a success because
access road.
The long time my bosses go the market for me for business.
Yes.
Yeah, and the road here for because morning. Yeah. My friend is a route here.
Yes.
My friend police too much.
Oh, this is kachuam ya kachero.
Because here is a route for a small route. Big route is there.
This is Magendo route.
It's the Magendo route, my friend.
You have to be very careful.
Yeah. My friend, inside it is school, my friend.
Oh, this is a school. This is a government school or
no.
Private school?
Private school.
That's good.
Yeah.
Tanzania is beautiful, my friend. Tanzania is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Tanzania is beautiful.
Yeah.
With the Nyabende here. Yeah. This Nyabende called Siji Latana Ngo.
Nyabende.
Nyabende is called Siji Latana what?
Yeah.
Latana, that's the name. It's a medicinal.
Latana flower?
And this one is Latana. You see type of flower it's. See?
Yeah.
Latana.
Latana.
It's called Latana, but it's also a herbal. It's also a lot of medicinal purpose. It's beneficial to the body.
Yeah.
Yes, you know, back then, our ancestors, they were, they know how to mix to source these herbs and do treatment with them of different types of diseases. Yes. And they were very helpful to the body because there is no chemical in them more than this of pharmaceutical.
Okay.
Yes. Everything is herbal. Even you will, yes.
Yeah.
All those pharmaceutical also they are being sourced from all these plants.
Yeah.
Different kinds of plants. Yes, they are being sourced there.
Yeah, it's the root, my friend. Root here.
Yeah. This is the way here, and we are going down to the river. Yeah. See down the river also. Look at the sunset. It's evening. Beautiful sunset. Yeah. And go.
Me one day, my friend.
Yes.
Me, maybe one day me I call go the Mujini. Mujini is a city.
Yeah, in the city. Yeah.
Show people. Maybe God give me English.
Yeah.
Show people the Mujini. Everything.
No problem.
My friend.
Nobody is perfect.
Yeah, because me, my friend, every day. Me, I pray God. God give me song, my friend.
No, it will come. It will just work out. You know, as you speak it every day,
Yeah.
it's also a learning process.
Yeah.
Yes, you will keep on learning some new words, and that is it. That's how you go.
Okay.
Yes, and within no time you will be speaking it fluent. Mambo vipi? Yes, nobody was born perfect. So even you try. Yeah.
I'm trying.
Yes, right now you are much better than before you started.
We talk.
Yes,
Me,
you learn. As we talk, you learn.
Yeah, because me, I'm learn. Because it's a job.
Yes.
Hey,
Foreign language. It's very heavy in the mouth because the mouth is not used to it.
So my friend this is the neighbor.
Okay.
Yeah, look at the big house, my friend.
Oh,
Neighbor.
This is neighbor.
Hey, neighbor, my friend.
Oh.
Yeah.
So these are the people who are kijijini.
Yeah, maybe my friend is me. Maybe one day God will give me. God will give me.
God, you don't have problem. One day you will be blessed.
Yeah, one day.
Yes.
Is me I'm Rindima here, the house here.
You will be blessed.
Yeah.
All you see what? All these things you see.
Yeah.
These were the blessings of God.
Yeah.
Because nobody was born with these things. You came here alone.
Yeah.
Or is there anybody who came here with something?
Yeah.
No. All these were already created there for us to just enjoy. Yeah, so due to the corruption of the enemy, things have been a little difficult. But with patience and time, God's time is the best. All this, you will love them. Yes.
Yeah, so guys, a small story show you everything. For environment, for Sirari border here.
Yes.
Guys, fire. Yeah, look at this is the village.
It's a banana.
It's a banana. Banana and Uganda calling matoke.
Matoke, you know.
Yeah, matoke.
Yeah, you know this banana. It has so many varieties of banana out here. Yeah, this one. Oh, this is sugar cane.
It's a sugar cane, my friend.
Oh,
yeah.
This is how they plant sugar cane here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because here is a river, Karibu.
Oh, it's near the river. Oh, yeah. It's bordered the river.
Yeah, border the river.
Yeah.
Because it's a cold mangich.
Oh, so this place is wet.
The place is sweat, my friend. Yeah.
The place is wet.
Is it sweat?
No.
Is it
yes.
Cold.
Not cold.
Hot.
Oh, I see here the stream. Huh?
Yeah.
So this is how the river starting.
Yeah.
Little stream up. Also the sunny yams you see there. So, this is how the river starts.
Yeah.
These are what? Tributary or what? You know, yeah, not what. See how the water is very clean.
It's very clean. It's very clean, my friend.
Yeah, it's very clean.
Yeah. No. Not Kurini. Kurini is no.
It's very clean.
Yeah, it's very clean. Yeah, my friend.
And that guy has done a lot of plantain here, as you can see. Nice one. Hey, this is down.
Down.
So here is where the villagers come to fetch water.
Yeah,
See, we are from up somewhere up those trees up.
Here for shower.
Oh,
For shower myself.
oh, people come here and shower.
Yeah.
Mhm. You come and refresh the body.
Fresh the body fresh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I should not mess up with my camera. Eh?
Shower the body.
It's clean. Eh?
Yeah. It's clean. It's clean. It's clean. It's clean.
Yeah. It's very, very clean. Eh?
Yeah. River for Ferrari border.
No. So this is going all the way to Kenya.
Yeah, my friend is here.
This is the one that has passed down to Ayamaro.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's coming all the way from here.
Yeah. Is it pass here? The pass there. The cross. Eh? The cross. Go there. And it's down. After go down.
Yes.
It's a cross. Huh? After cross.
It's Nienda.
It's a Nyenda.
Yes.
It's a new mean the Kenya, my friend. The Nyabuansi.
So it's Nienda to Nyabo.
Yeah, to Nyabo, my friend. After Kunganisha Nyabo, you mean the Aurangod.
Oh, it's going to join with the main river.
Yeah, count.
Migori County.
Yeah.
The river in Migori, I don't know the name. Is it River what? Is it Nzoia? It's not Nzoia. It's Nyando. I don't know the river. I've forgotten the name. Yes.
So, my friend.
And the river has a lot of rock motel.
The rock motel, my friend, is full. Rock motel is full here.
Yes.
Because God is give the talk the rock motel. Go there for river, my friend.
Yes.
Maybe you come, my friend. Come, show people. Oh, here.
The water is clean, my friend. You come here and do your shower clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, my friend is here.
You refresh the body.
Yeah, this is for Chimdo.
Oh. These are Napier girls for cattle, eh?
For cattle, my friend. It's here, my friend. Yeah.
And some banana.
Banana, my friend. Banana. Big banana.
See, you see mama and father banana.
And the
Neighbor banana. And the small banana.
The small banana.
Amaka kipi.
Yeah. And the mother banana is here.
Where is mother banana?
Mother banana.
Oh, mother banana is pregnant.
Yeah, it's pregnant, my friend.
See, mother banana is pregnant here.
Yeah. And the father banana.
Yes.
Father banana is here. You know father banana?
Oh,
father banana is here.
This is father banana.
You mean katikati here? You know better here.
Oh, father banana. So father banana is just going much.
Yeah, going much. Okay, much. Doge.
It ongelimo. Oh.
Yeah, father banana. Not marriage. Not marriage.
Oh, father banana, no pregnant.
No pregnant. Yeah.
It's just so these are the wife.
Yeah, it's a wife.
Oh, he's having all these wives surrounding.
Yeah.
And
wife.
the father, as you know, the men are the head of the house. So the father in the middle.
Yeah, my friend.
Yeah.
Because my friend.
Nature,
This is a kid's neighbor.
Oh, this is kid.
Is a neighbor.
Oh.
This is a neighbor.
This is small wife.
Is a small wife.
Yeah.
and the kiddies.
Yes.
And the kiddies.
This father banana is just bringing up kids and marrying them and also kuome.
Yeah, my friend. This is big in the village, my friend.
The mama banana is very pregnant. You see the babies around.
The babies around, my friend.
We wait to enjoy them while they are ripe.
Yeah. Yeah, my friend. Yeah, for the banana is fire. So, guys, this is the river here. Yeah, river here for Sirari border here, guys. Yeah, look at guys. So is here. Is go down. After go down is a cross. After cross is a new main Nyabwanse. After new main Nyabwanse is a
Migori direct to Lake Victoria.
Migori direct. After Migori direct to Lake Victoria, Kisumu City.
Yes.
Is a new main Kisumu City. Namlulu. Yeah, my friend.
So family, that is it. Which plant is this? Look at this plant.
Yeah, yeah.
This is medicine for what?
Yeah, for body.
For body.
Baby body is a
Oh, these were for dandruff, for little kids.
Yeah, dandruff, my friend.
Or chicken box.
Yeah, chicken box.
Oh.
You put here, my friend. Put here like this.
Oh.
It's a smooth. It's a smooth, my friend. It's a smooth. No, like this.
No, you take one.
Yeah. So after come shower, you
rub your skin with that.
You skim
your skin, eh?
Yeah, you skim your heart, my friend.
Oh.
1 week.
Chicken box is over.
It's over, my friend.
Hey, my friend, you are Mr. Abulist.
Yeah. Yeah. Super. Yeah.
Hey, it's so many. Yeah. God blessed the land with all type of medicine you might imagine of to take care of this body.
Yeah, my friend.
So
you come here, you chicken box is too much.
Yes, you come.
Deliver
this plant.
This plant.
Yes, you come and take this plant.
Scratch the board.
Yes, scratch. You rub the body with it, then.
Yeah.
Chicken box is over just like that. So just wanna wash. Also, people come and take shower here. The water is very clean indeed.
Water is clean. Water is clean, my friend.
So family, that is it. Watch video full.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Ken is here.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Nico Boda subscribe. Dorina _Elisha subscribe. Our big box Samayagugno. Road to 50,000. And also me 4,000. So until we meet again, God bless you. I hope you're gonna enjoy this nature walk. And yes, just like that. God bless you.
Yeah.
See you when you see me. Eh? See you when you see me.